This is your Weather Authority forecast.
Well, it's that time of the year when we have to remind ourselves that winter is not too far away, and tonight's frost advisory is just one of those oh-so-subtle reminders. But after a frosty night, we're going to kick things off on your work week with a blustery Monday, and after that, we'll get back to more seasonal-like temperatures for the remainder of the work week. But right now, everyone is settling a chilly Sunday evening. 38 here in Madison, 36 in Baraboo, 30 in Camp Douglas, and then you check out Monroe. You guys are just making everybody look bad at 50 degrees at this hour, and it looks like a pretty mild 50 degrees, especially when you compare that to the rest of the upper Midwest at this hour. 34 in Marquette, 38 in International Falls. The winds are starting to calm down out there, and that's allowing for all that air to settle, which is why our temperatures are starting to fall into the mid and lower 30s. Now, as far as radar and satellite composite is concerned, an area of high pressure is pretty much clearing out our sky. So everything to the west of this high, you can see, is clear. Now, everything to the east, that's another story altogether, because this high tonight is going to start sliding over the Midwest. As it does so, it's going to allow for those winds to go calm. And where the wind goes calm, that's where the frost advisories will lie. So this is why the eastern half of Wisconsin, all of Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, as well as Ohio are under a frost advisory until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So here's the forecast for tonight. This is the area of high pressure that I've been talking about. Frosty conditions for tonight. Where there's wind, not so much frost. Where there is no wind and it goes calm, better chances for frost. But by tomorrow afternoon, the high slides on out of here, and on the back side of this, a strong southwesterly breeze, gusty conditions, and mostly clear skies as well. But those winds are going to be the big story for tomorrow, and what we're looking for are the timing of those wind gusts. They'll be sustained anywhere from 10 to 20 miles an hour, but it's the wind gusts, which could get as high as maybe 30 miles an hour anytime between noon and 6 p.m. Now, again, it's not going to be a sustained wind, but it is going to be one of those breezes that just kind of knocks you around out there if you're not too careful. For tonight, though, winds won't be that strong. Southwest light at around 1 to 5 miles an hour as that high moves on through. 34, the overnight low. Patchy frost for many of us. Early frost for tomorrow morning. Windy and warm to start off your Monday, and then it only gets better for Tuesday. The winds won't be as strong. We're looking for a high of 74 on Tuesday, and then back to more seasonal-like conditions starting Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But at this particular point in time, not looking for any big storm systems coming on through. Just a little early taste of winter, we'll call it that.
Warming back up a little bit, though, 74 tomorrow compared to the last 2 days.
Yeah, breezy, though. That's going to be the big thing tomorrow. Very windy.
Right, so it'll be nice here tomorrow. The question is, what will it be like in Seattle?
I don't know.
Rain and wind messing with the passing game?
Basically, I don't know. No Packer games today. Unfortunately, for the second straight week, no Packer game on a Sunday. However, busy day in the NFL and a busy day for two former Badgers. We'll update you on that coming up next in sports.